Everybody, I'm Carlene Cibalerio, and I will be interviewing Ate Nicole, one of the janitors in SSES. From your experience in the school cleaning trash, what trash usually fills your garbage bin each week?
Akong mga kasagara gid ako masilig sa about sa mga basura, mga papel, mga 60% gid akong masilhig din ang uban pa mga kuan sagbot o mga batol gamay ra. Ang papel gyud ang 60%.
How much paper is typically used in your class each week?
Each week, usually we consume 60% of papers for our worksheets, quizzes, and other activities. Thank you.
What challenges do you face in reducing paper use in academic activities?
It's very challenging because as days or months go by, there are lots of paper piled up. Then what I did is I used the back page for the other activities.